Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make fish curry with canned tuna. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of tuna, drained, as our main protein. We'll also use 1 large onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 3 cloves of garlic, all finely chopped. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 2 green chilies for a little kick. Finally, have 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala ready. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once warm, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them gently until they become beautifully golden brown. Next, stir in the ginger paste, minced garlic, and green chilies. Cook this aromatic mixture for about 1 minute, allowing the wonderful fragrances to develop and the raw smell to disappear. It's time to infuse our curry with vibrant spices. Add the turmeric powder, chili powder, and garam masala to the pan. Cook these spices for about 30 seconds, stirring constantly to prevent them from burning. Then, add your chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften and release their juices. Finally, gently fold in the drained canned tuna, ensuring it's well coated with the rich, aromatic curry base. To finish our delightful curry, pour in about 1 cup of water or coconut milk for a creamier consistency. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, garnish generously with fresh cilantro leaves. Your homemade canned tuna curry is now ready to be enjoyed hot with a side of fluffy rice or warm flatbread. It's truly a quick and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.